Are you fed up with trying to do it yourself carpet cleaning to no avail? Seems like your carpets are clean, but weeks later seem even worse than before. With the debated oldest carpet ever discovered as Paseric carpet, experts believe it's over 6,000 years old. Carpets have always acted as a filter of the home. Modern carpets, as well as being filters of your home, pull airborne pollutants out of the air, trap pollutants, and as much as you can try to clean them yourself, nothing works, and you're swimming against the tide. Under-the-counter products making it worse, trying supermarket carpet washers which lack power, ends with home carpets looking awful just before family and friends arrive. Or the senior management arriving at the office to grubby looking stained office carpets. Don't risk you and your family, friends, colleagues' health with inferior services. With Aura Floor Care's latest cleaning technology and methodology, a 9-step carpet cleaning process to give you only the most deepest clean and fresh smelling carpets. Forget the old wives' tale of carpets getting more dirty every time after carpet cleaning. Our Supreme equipment not only gives fast drying times, our carpet cleaning service offers our unique rinse solution, keeping them cleaner for longer, giving the light fluffy bounce back. Our optional stain hard protection keeps maintaining carpets a breeze and vacuuming much easier. Aura Floor Care offer new age tech with old school Bristol fashion service. From local domestic home carpet cleaning services in Bristol, Bath and surrounding areas, to national commercial and industrial services with experience of maintaining thousands of square meters of carpets in commercial settings, office workplaces, including business parks, dental surgeries, pubs, nightclubs, shops and local churches, as well as working with multinational companies to small startups. Aura Floor Care has invested heavily in the industry's leading equipment and products. Our unique method of cleaning provides the next level of clean, and with over 20 years of experience, fully trained, fully insured work to PAS 86 British Standard, IICRC Standard Professional Cleaning, senior members of the National Carpet Cleaners Association, Trustmarked government approved membership, offering a guarantee with thousands of great customer reviews. Call Aura Floor Care to clean and maintain your carpets and flooring, giving your carpets the glowing aura they deserve. Get in touch for a free quotation.